Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to the Global Monthly Video Hop for the month of November. We are Stampin' Up! Demonstrators from around the world. We get together every single month with a new theme. So November's theme is home decor, and I have a little twist on home decor for you today. All the other demonstrators' videos can be seen in the description of this video, so please go over and check them out. Watch their video, leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, for my little project here, this is a little take on an advent calendar, something a little bit different for this year. I am using the Brightest Glow bundle and the Lights Are Glow DSP. Now this is specialty DSP. It is so pretty. It has gold foiling in it and works so nice with this type of project. I'm going to bring in the bundle here just to show you. I'm using both the dies and the stamp set. Now this stamp set is wonderful, has all sorts of sentiments for Christmas and New Year, so you'll find everything you need for them. Okay, so like you can see there, I'm using lots and lots of different DSP from this pack. You can choose both the foiled side or the non-foiled side. For this card here, I'm actually using the non-foiled, but you can choose which ones you would work better in your theme. So we're just adding some tear and tape down the bottom of our piece of DSP. Now this measures 4 by 6 inches. You want it to go down the 6-inch side as well as the 4-inch side. All you're going to do is attach your shortest side first. Take the backing off the tear and tape and then squish down. This is a sour cream container. I'm sure we've all probably made these before. They're really simple and a great little treat holder. So inside I do pop in a strip of basic white cardstock, and some things are activities. I've got some jokes there as well, which is, something pretty cool. And I'm going to pop a treat inside as well. Because it is summer here for Christmas, I've actually gone with a Minties. That way it doesn't melt and stays fine. And but you can choose anything in there that you would like, a little treat toy, whatever you would like. So I'm using the Simply Elegant twine to pop these together. I've just used a hole punch to create a hole, and I'm just doing a nice little bow with the gold twine. Obviously it's gold foiled paper, so the gold works really well with this. And you don't really need to glue it down as such. I think just this tight at the top works really well, and then that way you can reuse them if you would like to. Okay, so we're going to move on with our sentiment. This is such a quick and easy project, but you want to make enough for the whole of December, so you want to make it so it's not too big of a project as well. So we have some basic white cardstock here. I'm just running out through with that detailed circle die. This gives some really nice little details in the sentiment without tricking it up too much. You could also use gold foiling if you would like, and then maybe die cut another circle to pop on top, but I think the white background looks fine. So for this one here, I'm using the Evening Evergreen ink, but I have Cherry Cobbler. I've also heat embossed in gold as well for our sentiments, so you can step them up or do as simple as you like. But I think, who wouldn't love to open one of these little sour cream containers every day with either an activity or a joke or, just a little fun. So I hope that you've enjoyed my project. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'd love any comments that you have. And go and check out all my friends' wonderful designs that they have in the comments in the description of this video as well. They would love to have you come over and take a look. We'll be back with another video next month, so come back and join me for that, and I'll see you all really soon. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.